Hello friends, I am Omkar Samle and you are watching Maths is Life. For day 10 magic, we have this person with us.
Hi.
Myself. Okay. So for day 10 magic, I want him to ask or I want him to remember any one number from 1 to 63. Any one number from 1 to 63. Now think about that number and tell me, is that number in this sheet?
Yes.
Yes, it is in this sheet. Okay. Is that number in this sheet?
Yes.
Yes, it is in this sheet also. Okay. Is that number in this sheet?
No.
No, it is not in this sheet. Okay. Is that number in this sheet?
No.
No, it is not in this sheet. Okay. Is that number in this sheet?
Yes.
Yes, it is in this sheet. Okay. Is that number in this sheet?
No.
No. Okay. Which means you are thinking of number 50. Is it correct?
Oh, yes, correct.
Yes, it is correct. How to do this trick? What these tricks are? Let's see. So this is sheet 1. This is sheet 2. This is sheet 3. This is sheet 4. This is sheet 5. This is sheet 6. Now we will give all these sheets numbers according to base 2. In base 10 system, we know the unit values or place values of the numbers. First it is unit place, then tens place, then hundreds place, then thousands place. Like that the values are. In binary numbers, the values will be different. First will be unit, that is 1. Next will be twos, that is 2. Then 2 raised to 2, this is 2 raised to 0. 2 raised to 0, which is 1. Then 2 raised to 1, which is 2. Then 2 raised to 2, which is 4. Then 2 raised to 3, which is 8. 2 raised to 4, that is 16. And 2 raised to 5, that is 32. You can continue this pattern to increase the number of sheets or number of the numbers. That is, I took the numbers from 1 to 63. If you want to increase the numbers, you can increase the sheets. So the first number is from 1 to 63. First number is 1. So we will check where this 1 can fit. So 1 is here. Here is 1. So we will write here 1. The next number is 2. 2 is here, so we can write here 2. Then next number is 3. Here is 1, here is 2, here is 4. So how we can create number 3? 3 is 1 plus 2. So we can write here 1 and here 2. So we will write 3 in both these sheets. In this sheet also and in this sheet also. So in these sheets there are now two numbers 1, 3. Here are two numbers 2, 3. Then next number is 4. Here is 1, here is 2, here is 4. So we can write here 4 directly. Next number is 5. How we can write 5? Here is 4, then next is 8. So it must be before this number. So we can write 5 as addition of 1 and 4. So 1 plus 4 is 5. So we will write 5 in both these sheets. 5 here also and 5 here also. Then next is 6. So again 6 is 4 plus 2. So here is also 6. Here is also 6. Then 7. 7 is 4 plus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. So 7 will be on all these three sheets. Here is 7, here is 7, and on this third sheet, here is 7. Now next number is 8. 8 is already here. 2 raised to 3 is 8. So we will write here directly 8. So if you observe, the starting number of on each sheet is the power of 2. First number is 1 on this sheet, it is 2 raised to 0. Here is first number 2, it is 2 raised to 1. Here is first number 4, which is 2 raised to 2. Here is first number 8, which is 2 raised to 8. So this sheet we will start from 2 raised to 4, which is 16. So first number on this sheet will be 16. On this sheet first number will be 32. Let's see for the next numbers. 8, then 9. 9 is 8 plus 1. So we will write 9 here also and here also. Then 10. 10 is 8 plus 2. So 10. 10. 11 is 8 plus 3. So 11 and 11. Okay, we cannot write 11 here. It is 11 is 8 plus 3. So 3 is not here. Here is only 1, 2, 4. So we can write 11 as 8 plus 2 plus 1. So 11 we can write on all these 3 sheets. First, second and fourth sheet. Then 12. 12 is 8 plus 4. So we can write here 12 and here also 12. Then 13. 13 is 8 plus 5. But how we can create 5? 4 plus 1. So again 13 and 13. Next number is 14, which is 8 plus 6. How we can create 6? 4 plus 2. 14 and 14. Again 15. Next number is 15. So 15 is again 8 plus 4 plus 2. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. And 14 plus 1 is 15. So 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 15. Then next number is 16. So 16 is here. After 8, 1, 2, 4 and after 8 here is 16. So we can write here first number as 16. Then 17. 17 is 16 plus 1. So here is 17. Here is also 17. Then 18. 18 is 16 plus 2. So here is 18 and here also 18. 19. 19 is 16 plus 2 plus 1. So 19, 19 and 19. Then 20. 20 is 16 plus 4. So 20 is here and 4 is here. So 16 plus 4 is 20. 21 is 16 plus 4 plus 1. 21, 21, 21. 22, 16 plus 4 plus 2. 22, 22, 22. Then 23, 16 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So 23, 23, 23 and 23. Then 24. 24 is 16 plus 8. So 16 plus 8 is 24. 25, 16 plus 8 plus 1. 16 plus 8 plus 1 is 25. Then 26. 16 plus 8 or 26. 16 plus 8 plus 2 is 26. Then 27. 27 is 16 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1. So 27, 27, 27 and 27. Now 28. 28 is 16 plus 8 plus 4. So 28, 28, 28. Again 29 is 16 plus 8. So 29, 29. 16 plus 8 is 24. We need 29. So plus 4 plus 1 is 29. 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1 is 29. Now 29, then 30. 30 is 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2. 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2. So this is 30. Then next is 31. 31 is 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. Now 32. 32 is 2 raised to 5. So we can write here just 32. Then 33. 33 is 32 plus 1. So this is 33. Here is also 33. Then 34. 34 is 32 plus 2. So 32 and 32, sorry 34. Then 35, 35 is 32 plus 2 plus 1. So 35, 35 and 35. Then 36 is 32 plus 4. So 36, 36. 37 is 32 plus 4 plus 1. So this is 37, 37, 37. Then 38, 38 is 32 plus 4 plus 2. So 38, 38, 38. Then 39, 39 is 32 plus 4 plus 3. So 3 we can write as 2 plus 1. So 32 plus 4 plus 2. Oh, sorry, this is 39, not 32. So 39 is 32 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So 39, 39, 39, 39. Then 40. 40 is 32 plus 8. So this is 40. Here is also 40. Then 41 is 32 plus 8 plus 1. So 41, 41, 41. 42 is 32 plus 8 plus 2. So this is 42, 42, 42. Then 43. 43 is 32 plus 8 plus 3. So we can write 3 as 2 plus 1. So 43 and 43. Then again 44 is 32 plus 8 plus 4. So 44, 44 and 44. Again 45. 45 is 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. So this is 45, 45 and 45. 45 is 32 plus 8. 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1 is 45. Then 46 is 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2. So this is 46 and here is also 46. Then 47 is 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So 47, 47, 47, 47 and 47. Now again 48. 48 is 32 plus 16. So here is 48, here is 48. Now 48, then 49. 49 is 32 plus 16 plus 1. Then 50. 50 is 32 plus 16 plus 2. Then 51. 51 is 32 plus 16 plus 2 plus 1 is 51. Then 52. 52 is 32 plus 16 plus 4. 52 is 32 plus 16 plus 4. Then 53. 53 is 32 plus 16 plus 4 plus 1. Then 54. 54 is 32 plus 16 plus 4 plus 2. This is 54. 54 is 32 plus 16 plus 4 plus 2. Then next is 55. 55 is 32 plus 16 plus 55 is 32 plus 16 plus 4 plus 1. So 55 and 50 and plus 2 also. So 55 is 32 plus 16 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. Then next is 56. 56 is 32 plus 16 plus 8. 32 plus 16 plus 8 is 56. So 56 here, 56 here and 56 here also. Then next is 57. 57 is 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 1. So this is 57. 57 is 32 plus 16, 8 plus 1. So this is 57. Next is 58. So 58 is 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 2 is 58. 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 2 is 58. Then 59. 59 is 32 plus 16 or 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1 is 59. Then next is 60. 60 is 32 plus 16. 32 plus 16. Then plus 8 and plus 4 is 60. Then 61. 61 is 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. Then 62, we are close now. 62 is 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2. Then last number is 63. 63 is 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. For the next number 64, we need the other sheet because 64 is 2 raised to 6 and we are less than that, we are only till 2 raised to 5. So we can observe on the sheet 1, there are numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 till 63. So these are all odd numbers. These are all odd numbers. On the second sheet, there are numbers 2, 3, 6, 7, 10, 11, 14, 15. So every pair of two numbers are consecutive numbers. Every pair of two numbers are consecutive numbers. And if you observe, there is missing pair of two numbers also. 2, 3, then 4, 5 is missing. Then 6, 7 are here. Then 8, 9 are missing. Then 10, 11 are here. Then 12, 13 is missing. 14, 15, 16, 17 are not here. Then 18, 19, 20, 21 are not here. 22, 23. And this pattern is continuing till 63. So pair of 2 are available here. And pair of 2 are missing also. So everything is about pair of 2 consecutive numbers. Then next is sheet 3. On sheet 3, you can observe there are numbers 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. So here is also pair, but not of 4, not of 2. It is pair of 4. 4 consecutive numbers. See 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 8, 9, 10, 11 are missing. Then next pair is 12, 13, 14, 15. Again 16, 17, 18, 19 is missing. Then 20, 21, 22, 23 is here. And next 4 numbers are missing. Again next 4 numbers are here. Next 4 numbers are missing. Next 4 numbers are here. Next 4 numbers are missing. Like that this pattern is continuing. This sheet 1, we can also say like this, pair of 1. Actually pair cannot be contain one object only, but just to find pattern we will write that. So one number is here, one number is missing, one number is here, one number is missing, one number is here, one number is missing, and that pattern is continuing for all 63 numbers. Here is also same pair of 2 numbers, here is pair of 4 numbers. And the interesting fact is, here is pair of 1 number, starting number is 1. Here is pair of 2 numbers, starting number is 2. Here is pair of 4 numbers, starting number is 4. And all these numbers are power of 2. So this is 2 raised to 0, this is 2 raised to 1, this is 2 raised to 2. And next patterns are also like that. If you observe again here are pair of 8 numbers. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is first pair of 8 number. Then next 8 numbers are missing. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 are missing. Then next 8 numbers 24 to 31 are here, and other pair of 8 numbers, next pair of 8 numbers is missing, and again this pattern is continuing for 63 numbers. And first number of this is 8. This is pair of 8 and first number is 8, and it is 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. Obviously next will be pair of 16 consecutive numbers, 16 to 31. This is first pair of 16 numbers. Next 16 numbers 32 to 47 are missing, and again 48 to 63 is the next pair of 16. So this is all about pair of 16, and first number is 16, which is 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4. And finally last sheet, it will be obviously pair of 32 numbers. So it is from 32 to 63, all consecutive 32 numbers, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41 till 63. And this is all about pair of 32 numbers. So you can ask, where is the missing 32 numbers? So first 32 numbers from 0 to 31 are missing. Here is also first 16 numbers are missing, 0 to 15. Here is also first 8 numbers are missing, 0 to 7. Here is also first 8 numbers are missing, first 4 numbers are missing, 0 to 3. Here is also one number is missing, 0. Here are 2 numbers missing, 0 and 1. So this pattern is here, and here is 32 as first number, which is 2 raised to 5. And if you continue these sheets, you will find the same pattern of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, then 64, 128, 256, 512, and like that. And if you count the number of numbers in each sheet there are 32 numbers. In each sheet there are 32 numbers, which is again 2 raised to 5. The last power of 2 we have taken. If you take the next sheet, that is sheet number 7, then there will be 64 numbers in each sheet, because the numbers in that part will also come here. Because from 64 to 127 there will be numbers. So in that numbers we are dividing this in odd numbers. So here are all odd numbers from 64 to 127. So these are already 64 numbers. Out of 64, 32 will be odd and 32 will be even. So these odd numbers will be added to these 32 numbers. So there will be 64 numbers in first sheet. Again for this, there are pair of 2 consecutive numbers. 2 numbers are here, 2 numbers are missing, 2 numbers are here, 2 numbers are missing, which means we are again dividing the numbers in 2 parts. So again 64 to 127, there are 64 numbers. We are dividing that by 2. So 32 numbers in this sheet will be added. So there are already 32 numbers. Then new 32 numbers will come. Then there will be total 64 numbers. So whatever the largest power of 5 you will take, that number of numbers will be in each sheet, so that you can confirm that not a single sheet is incorrect. Okay, now here is explanation part for that magic. How to do that magic? You can easily create these sheets. Now the main task is performing this magic. Now you can say the other person have taken number, let's say 31. So first we will show him the last sheet. So we will just ask him, is your number in this sheet? So he will say no. We will keep this sheet aside. We will remember in which sheets there is that number. So we will again show him sheet number 5. Again he will see, he will find the number, and here is 31. So he will say, yes, this sheet have my number. So we know this is 5th sheet, which is of 2 raised to 4. First number is 16. So we don't have to remember any of this sheet number or 2 raised to the power. We don't have to remember this. We have to only see if the number is in this sheet. We have to check what is the first number. Remember that number only. So this is 16. So we have remembered now 16 plus. Again we will show him the sheet number 4. In sheet number 4 he will again check. Here is 31. So he will say to us that yes, in this sheet my number is here. So we will again add 8 to this number. Then we will show him sheet number 3. In sheet number 3 he will again check is that number is here. Yes, here is 31. So he will tell to us that yes, in this sheet my number is here. Then again we will add 4. Then again we will ask him, is there number in this sheet? So he will say yes, in this sheet also my number is here. So we will just add the first number, which is 2. Again we will ask him that in this sheet is your number. Then he will tell yes, in this sheet my number is. So we will add this number, and after orally calculating addition of these numbers, we can say yes, your number is 31, because addition of these numbers will be 31. We have arranged all numbers according to that only. So this is the magic of these 6 sheets. Not compulsory 6 sheets. You can take any number of sheets, but the numbers will increase according to the number of sheets. So that's it for this trick, and thank you.